Thando Dlamuka has done really well with 4 distinctions in mathematics, life science, English, and isiZulu. If there's one matriculant who people have been rooting for since last year, it's definitely Thando Dlamuka. The reality star got married at 16 years old, and her marriage hasn't been all rosy. From what people saw from Isencane lengane, her husband Siakela made her life a living hell. There was cheating scandals with umato and emotional abuse, among other things. All of this intensified during Thando's final year at high school, which obviously did not affect her performance in any kind of way. A lot of people really hoped that she would perform really well during high school and then she could go to varsity to better her life. Most people agree that Thando Dlamuka is incredibly a smart girl and would do really well in life if she left her husband Usiakela / is stupid.